Hi everyone, today I'm gonna tell you that how we will restore the backup file in SQL Server Management Studio. First we have to go to the SQL Server and before that we have to go to the Google, and in the Google we will write that download adventure work database. So you have to click on the first link, and here you have to go down, and this one is the adventure works 2022. So just click on this one, and then the adventure work 2022 will download it. Okay, then after that you will go to this adventure work 2022, and from here you have to copy this one, and then you have to do is that you have to paste this to C program files, Microsoft SQL Server, and then these are the different versions SQL Server, and then you have to do this one, and I have copied this one here. Okay, so I can just remove this one. So then we have to go to the SQL Server Management Studio, and here we have to go to the restore database, and then we have to go to device, and from the device we have to add, and then SQL Server has take up this path. So I can just copy this path and then can paste in the normal folder. So you can also look at that this is the same path where we have this file. So here we have this file, and on this date which file we are just backing up. Okay, so I am just selecting this file, okay, and then adding this file, and it's a file system, not a URL or something else. So okay, and then it's ready, and database Azure Work 2022 has been restored. So this is how it should be restored your database. Thank you, bye bye.